Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of financial independence, of being your own boss and building a business from anywhere in the world? If you've been exploring the world of e-commerce, chances are you've come across the term dropshipping, and perhaps more specifically, AliDropship. But the burning question on everyone's mind, the one that truly matters when you're considering investing your time and effort, is this: can you really make money with AliDropship? That's precisely what we're diving into today. We're going to pull back the curtain on AliDropship, dissect its capabilities, and explore the realities of making a profit in the ever-evolving landscape of online retail. This isn't just about whether the tool works, but whether the business model it facilitates can genuinely put money in your pocket in 2025 and beyond. For those unfamiliar, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never handle inventory, reducing upfront costs and logistical headaches significantly. AliDropship, then, is a popular WordPress plugin designed specifically to streamline this process, primarily by integrating with AliExpress, a massive online retail service based in China. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The internet is flooded with success stories, alongside cautionary tales about dropshipping. Some claim to be making 6 or even 7 figures, while others struggle to break even. The truth, as always, lies somewhere in the middle, and it's heavily dependent on several factors that we'll break down. First, let's talk about the allure of AliDropship. What makes it so appealing to aspiring entrepreneurs? Well, for starters, it's pitched as a one-time payment solution for building an AliExpress dropshipping store. Unlike subscription-based platforms, an $89 lifetime license for the plugin means you avoid recurring monthly fees, which can be a significant draw for those on a tight budget. This one-time cost gives you a powerful tool to import products, automate order fulfillment, and manage your store. They even offer ready-made stores or will build one for you, promising a turnkey solution, which can be enticing for absolute beginners. This aspect significantly lowers the barrier to entry into e-commerce. AliDropship's features include automated product import from AliExpress, automatic price and stock updates, one-click order fulfillment, customizable pricing rules, and built-in marketing tools. This level of automation is designed to save you a tremendous amount of time and effort, allowing you to focus on the crucial aspects of marketing and scaling your business. The integration with WordPress and WooCommerce also provides a high degree of control over your store's design and functionality, something many users appreciate. But here's the crucial caveat: having the tools doesn't guarantee success. AliDropship is a facilitator, not a magic money-making machine. The profitability of your AliDropship store hinges on the same principles that govern any successful e-commerce venture. 1. Niche selection is paramount. You can't just throw random products onto a store and expect sales. The dropshipping market is competitive. To stand out, you need to identify a profitable niche, a specific segment of the market with unmet or underserved needs. Think about trending products, passionate hobbies, or unique problem-solving items. AliDropship themselves highlight successful premium stores in niches like car accessories, mom and baby essentials, and gardening supplies. These aren't general stores. They're focused, allowing for targeted marketing and a dedicated audience. 2. Product research is your goldmine. Once you have a niche, you need to find winning products within it. This involves diligent research. Look for products with high demand, good profit margins, and reliable suppliers on AliExpress. AliDropship's product import feature makes it easy to add products, but you are responsible for selecting the right ones. Look for products with strong social proof, lots of positive reviews, compelling imagery, and a perceived value that allows for a healthy markup. The goal is to find items that solve a problem, offer a unique benefit, or are simply irresistible to your target audience. 3. Marketing. This is where many aspiring dropshippers fall short. You can have the best store and the hottest products, but if no one knows about them, you won't make a dime. Effective marketing is non-negotiable. This could involve paid advertising, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads. These are powerful tools for reaching a specific demographic. You'll need a budget for this and the ability to test, optimize, and scale your campaigns. Content marketing. Creating engaging blog posts, videos, or social media content that provide value to your audience and subtly promotes your products. SEO, search engine optimization, optimizing your store and product pages so they rank higher in search engine results. This can be a long-term strategy, but offers organic, free traffic. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers in your niche to showcase your products to their audience. For supplier reliability and shipping times, AliExpress is a global marketplace, and while many suppliers are excellent, some can be unreliable. Long shipping times are a common complaint in dropshipping, especially from China. While AliDropship can automate order fulfillment, it's crucial to vet your suppliers for good communication, product quality, and reasonable shipping options. Look for suppliers who offer e-packet shipping or other faster alternatives, especially if you're targeting customers in Western countries. Some dropshippers are even moving towards US or EU-based suppliers to reduce shipping times, though this might limit product variety. 5. Customer service is king. In a competitive market, excellent customer service can be your biggest differentiator. Be responsive to inquiries, handle disputes professionally, and manage expectations regarding shipping times. A happy customer is a repeat customer, and positive reviews build trust and credibility for your brand. So, what about profitability in 2025? The dropshipping industry is projected to continue its significant growth, with estimates reaching hundreds of billions of dollars. This indicates that the opportunity is still very much alive. However, the landscape is evolving. Key trends for 2025 include the increasing role of AI in e-commerce for things like product descriptions and marketing automation, the growth of social and mobile commerce, and the dominance of video marketing. Successful AliDropship users are those who adapt to these trends, utilizing the platform's capabilities to their fullest and staying agile in their strategies. While AliDropship can simplify many aspects of running a dropshipping business, it's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Success stories often involve significant effort in market research, branding, and marketing. For example, some AliDropship users have reported impressive monthly profits, with some premium stores even generating substantial revenue. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.